Today we're gonna be working on this vinyl sign and we're gonna give you some tips on selling decals locally and show you behind the scenes of how we work from home. So if you're planning to start a side hustle or start a decal business, you can definitely make this type of signs from home with your vinyl cutter, and we're gonna give you the top 3 machines. So here's the graphtec CE 6060 and it costs around $1,900, but of course that is just the price for the machine plus the equipment. Another great machine that you can start your sticker business or decal business with is the US Cutter Titan, and it costs around $800 plus the equipment. With this machine you can make vinyl signs as big as 28 inches, and you can also make smaller decals and use smaller rolls. So if you're an immediate size budget, this machine is perfect for you. Now, if you still want to make big decals but have a smaller budget, then you can definitely get the Cameo Pro for $372. This machine, we have been testing it a lot. So stay tuned because you will be surprised and shocked of everything that you can make with this machine that is very affordable. And you can definitely make not only vinyl signs, but you can make car magnets like this one. You can also make yard signs like this one, and you can also make vinyl stripes for racing cars like this one that we sell a lot on eBay. And you will be shocked of everything else that you can make with this $372 machine. So make sure you turn on your notification bell and be notified when we upload these episodes. So now let's begin with the process of how we do this type of business. And if you like this video, make sure you like the video and subscribe for more amazing content. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna align the vinyl, although we're gonna be using the graphtec vinyl cutter. We haven't used it in not in a long time, but finally we're gonna give the Cameo Pro a small break because the last 6 projects, I think we done it with our Pro. Now we're kind of testing it. Today we're gonna give it a break because, well, it was a last minute project, and that's another of the reasons why we're gonna use the graphtec, because we need to get it done as soon as we can, and also we're making sure that everything goes according to plan. Although I think we're getting better at using the Cameo, especially the Cameo Pro. Let me show you what we mean when we work from home, not just over there making some food while we work. I don't know if you want to get a little closer. I just want to show them, although it's going to be white color. I used gray color, but it's going to be white vinyl. And these are just alignments. Yep, that's what we always recommend. When you get round designs like this one, add some alignments, because so that way you get a point of reference to get your measurements. Once we get there, we'll show you how we use these alignments. So I'm gonna go ahead and send it, and we have our Cutting Master 3. But one of the things I love about the graphtec is that, I mean, first of all, we've been using it for so many years. We I wouldn't say experts, there's always something new to learn about it, but we are 100% confident when using that vinyl cutter. I think one of the things that I noticed this last couple of projects that we've done with our Cameo Pro is that we're definitely spoiled, because we started with the graphtec, and it's everything's much faster and easier for us. I mean, now that we learn how to use the graphtec and we see the difference, because we're not gonna hide it. I mean, you can definitely make these type of projects with your Cameo Pro, no doubt, but there's some differences. One of them is speed. So we're ready to send it, and the settings for our graphtec vinyl cutter, we have them offset 0, speed 31, acceleration 1, cut force at 12, and I'm gonna go ahead and send it. And guys, by the way, if you like this video, make sure you give us a like, subscribe if you're new to this channel. Also, if you are coming across this video and you never knew about this business, we recommend that you subscribe and check out our videos, because we have a lot of great tutorials to get you started on this business. And we talk about a lot of those machines. The one on top is the Cameo 4 12-inch, and that one costs around $200. And the bottom one is the Pro. It's the same one, but it's a bigger one. It's a 24-inch. The size, yeah. It is, yeah. And you can definitely, as you're watching on these clips, you can definitely make this type of vinyl signs for businesses with your Cameo Pro, because it's a 24-inch, and most of the signs that we make for this type of projects is with a bigger machine, at least 24 inches. So you can definitely make those signs with those machines. Also, there's another one that you're watching here. This one is the US Cutter Titan. We have worked with this machine before. Well, it's not ours, but our friend, and it's a 28-inch vinyl cutter, and of course, the best one for us, the graphtec. So it all depends on your budget. You can start this business, and you can definitely start with a lower budget if you want to get started and, you know, venture into this type of business with low investment. So, all right, Saul is gonna start weeding out. Hopefully he doesn't mess up. So
we got plenty of
fingers.
Vinyl. We got plenty of vinyl if that happens. I'm gonna start from the center. That way I can cut it from there. Then I'm just gonna work my way this way. If not, you know, they can always assist me, but I'm gonna try to do it myself.
So in the end of this video, make sure you stick around, because we're gonna show you the picture that we always like to take, and that will definitely make us sales. A lot of times it all depends on the picture and how you capture, you know, the attention of people. And we're gonna show you all the pictures that we use for local sales that never misses. Like, we always make sales.
What I noticed is that this type of designs, like this shape, like the type of shape that we have today, they usually get people's attention. That's why, you know, I was thinking about the local sales. That's why I think we gotta take a good picture of this project once we apply it.
It's gonna be an easy job. The hardest part of this project will be removing the all sticker that you are watching here. And by the way, we made this cell today. This same shot that you just saw was from today earlier. We went to take the measurements, and that is one of the things that we're gonna talk about on this video about the cells, because we always show you process and all that, but this video is gonna be focused more on the cells and some tips that we're gonna give you guys. And that's why we like to have a look and get an idea, and also that makes the pricing or the estimate better for the customer. And by the way, guys, if you want to learn how to price this type of process, you can use our calculators for pricing decals, t-shirts, and vinyl signs by joining the Gold membership. You can log in on our website at rdidecals.com and use our calculators there. If you want to get your membership, just click on the join button below on this video, or you can go to our website and click on get membership and choose the proper membership for your needs. We appreciate your support. And now it is time to apply our transfer, and we're gonna use the Art Tape Clear Choice AT75, which is a high-tack transfer. But if you work alone from home and you don't have enough hands to help you, you can get the application rollers that you see here. All the links below, or just visit our website. All right, so we just finished having something to eat and we're heading out. Let me focus back on the point of this video, which is sales. Sometimes it's best to do the extra mile, like we mentioned. This customer contacted us today and we walked the extra mile. We went there, talked to him, and take the measurements, and he was happy with the estimate. Fun fact is, this place is actually close to another location, and they do the same thing that we do. So that's the funny thing, that, you know, they're next door and they choose us. So that's what I'm saying, trying to be different than the competition. And another thing that we're gonna show you in the end is the picture shots that we take to do advertising locally, and that usually makes us sell. So,
and afterwards we're gonna go to another place. It's one of our early customers, very old customer. We're gonna go and pick up some t-shirts with this very old customer, not in age, but one of the very early customers that we got. And we're gonna go and get some shirts. And the thing about this project is that we're gonna do two different processes. We're gonna do rhinestones, and we're also gonna apply DTF vinyl.
All right, we are almost there, and this is what I'm talking about. There's the shop that we did some research from right there. Signs, the next day signs. and the location is not far from here. It's somewhere in those buildings. Yeah, we're here. All right, Nacho is gonna start picking on the vinyl and just do it carefully. We don't know how old this vinyl is, but like I'd say, the weather is around 80 degrees Fahrenheit. It shouldn't be that hard, so hopefully. But we brought some extra tweezers in case we all have to get into action.
After we remove the letters, we're gonna apply some goof off adhesive remover. Once we remove all the adhesive, we're gonna use the graphtec to remove all the whatever dirt or whatever's on the window.
The adhesive.
Yeah.
Is it hard, Nacho?
No, it's not too bad.
Yeah, he says it's not too bad, and that's the adhesive that we're gonna remove with the goof off after we finish removing all of it.
This is one of the things about removing letters. It's hard to tell how long it's gonna take. That's why it's hard to tell exactly how long it's gonna take you.
All right, now Nacho's gonna apply some of the goof off after we finish removing all the decals or stickers, and add some of it and kind of wait a little bit, but I mean, usually it works really fast. All right, now after we remove all the adhesive, Nacho is gonna apply some graphtec, and you can also use action tag. Very easy, remove it. This is very important because you don't want any of that goof off or adhesive remover in the surface. So this is why it's important that you follow this step. You clean it up the surface before you apply the new decal. All right, so now after we clean the surface, we're gonna start centering the design, and you're gonna see us see the reason why we add the alignments.
And now we're gonna do about 21 inches tall. That's what the old logo used to be.
There's the reason why we added the alignments, because you have no point of reference with a circle like this one, and with those we can get an idea of, you know, the width and the height.
This is the idea. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna lift the bottom. We're gonna use the cutting knife to get rid of the backing paper, and we're gonna avoid residue by using the cutting knife. And then we're gonna apply the decal from the center to the bottom. We're gonna do a dry application, and let's get started.
I gotta say, we struggle more. Well, I wouldn't say struggle. I think the traffic, I thought removing the decal was gonna be the hardest part, but right now it is rush hour and we struggle more with the traffic on our way here. But this is gonna be easy money.
All right, we can start removing the top section of the backing paper. We're gonna keep doing a dry application.
All right, now we're gonna remove the transfer, and again, even if it was applied dry, try to remove it carefully because the AT75 is a high-tech transfer.
All right, so we're about to take a shot to make an ad for Facebook or any social media. So what we do, the idea is to get them like this in this angle, and I'm gonna take that size, and I'm also gonna go to a square. Actually, square. Yeah, this is the. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a square, and then I'm gonna edit the pictures a little bit, give them more color, and hopefully this will get people's attention. I know it works. We have done it in the past.
All right, we just finished doing the installation. Right now, we're gonna go get the shirts that we told you guys about. All right, so let's head down, get the shirts now. All right, that's the place that we're gonna get the shirts from, and we're gonna pick them up, and I think that was the lady, right? The owner, if I'm not mistaken, that was leaving right now. All right, we got the shirts. They heavy, Saul?
Not really.
I hope so, because
I think, she told me there were gonna be like 35 shirts. 35.
Because I want to make more money. So if it's heavy, that means more work.
The reason why, or one of the reasons why we came to this place, first of all, because we were around the area. Second, this customer's been with us for a long time. And third, because she tips. So that's extra money for us. And we appreciate that she's supporting us. So
that's what I'm saying. Walk the extra mile, be different than the competition. Thank you guys. This is it for this video. Hopefully you liked it. And if you did, give us a like, subscribe, and also We appreciate if you share this video with your friends, family, or anyone who wants to learn this business. We really appreciate it. That will help us with the algorithm. And don't forget that you can also get all your stuff and material on the links below, or you can just get them in our website at rdidecals.com. You can also log in there on your membership if you're a silver member or gold member to use our calculators for pricing decals and t-shirts. We appreciate your support, guys.
Nacho's ready to go home now.
Yes, Nacho's really tired, so we're ready to go home and relax now. So thank you, guys. See you guys again on the next episode. Thank you.